How to create a business coaching and consulting website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform, which is squarespace.com. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here it will take us to the templates page where we can choose a template to help us build our own website with ease. So here we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a portfolio or a scheduling page, and also we can filter by the topic, if it's about art and design or photography or health and beauty or food or professional services or travel or restaurants also. So let's see if we can find our niche, which is the business coaching and consulting. So here we have the restaurants, real estate, local business, personal and CV, entertainment, home and decor. So I don't think we have that niche, which is the business coaching and consulting. So let's just go with professional services and see what this platform will offer. So let's scroll down to see what do we have in this platform. So this one is a blank template for those who want to build their own website from scratch. You can use this one. It's an empty template, and let's see if we can find anything related to our niche, business consulting. So we have this one, which is about business and intellectual property attorneys. Its name is Corrigan template. Let's scroll down to see if we can find anything else about business. So we have this one, to take control of your business. We are here to help you thrive. So I think that's a good match for my requirements. So I'm going to use that one. Let's click on it and let's click on preview bloom, which is the name of the template. Then click on view demo site to view the website in full width, and this is how our website looks. Take control of your business. Join now. We're here to help you thrive, overcome your obstacles. So I think this website is a good one for me. We'll just need to change the logo, change some texts and some fonts, and it will be good. So let's click on start with this design, and we wait for them to set things up for us. So it will take just a few seconds. After that, they will request us to give them a title for our website. So just wait for this page to fully load up, and then you can type in your title. And basically for me, it's just my niche's name, business coaching and consulting. Then click on continue, and then close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. And in our left, you can see a lot of sections that I'm going to explain each one of them for you right away. So let's start with website. It's where you can control your pages, and you can add new pages or delete the ones that you already have if you don't like them anymore, or adjust them from this adjusting button. As you can see, you can also change the member areas from here or create a new one, as you can see, or the beginner's guide, annual membership, elite class pack, and everything related to pages. Then we have the commerce section. It's where you can control your orders, inventory, customers, or you can create new products or choose the ways that you want to sell with, if it's memberships or custom merch, or choose a subscription plan. So you can do all that in this section. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the scheduling part. It's where you can set your calendar for your clients to book appointments with you or to book meetings. So you just need to wait for them to set things up for you. It will take just seconds and it will be good right away. As you can see, you just close this one and you wait for this one to pop up again, as you can see. And here you can create your appointment types, or you can set your availability time. You can also design your scheduling page and share it when you're done creating all of those three. So let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next section, which is the asset library. And basically it's where you can save your files or your images or your pictures to use them while designing your template. Then we have the analytics, and it's where you can have your dashboard that contains your data, where you have the revenue, units sold, orders, and your conversion rate. You can change the view option from last 30 days to year to date, or last year, or a custom one if you want to choose a particular date. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next one, which is profiles. And it's where you can adjust the profiles of your clients. You can delete someone's profile, or you can make some changes to it. Also, you can go to settings, and it's where you can set up your domain name, your Google Workspace, and change the site's availability from private to public. And you can also change the site's languages, and you can also set your payment processors like your Stripe account or your PayPal account or your Square account if you are from the United States only. And also you can change the store's currency from the United States dollar to any currency you'd like. And that's it for this section. Let's go back and let's proceed to the editing phase. As you can see, click on this button and you will see this template expand to give us more space to adjust our design. So here in the top you have the edit site header. You can just click on it and you will be able to upload your logo or change the site's title. And by scrolling down to the bottom, you can also edit the footer by clicking on this button. And after that you can change everything in between, from the text to the buttons to sections to images to blocks. So pretty much everything in the template you can adjust it as you want. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.